Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm reaching way back into some old ride footage of Kevin and I exploring some county roads here in Texas. Just goofing around. It's just going to be a ride video, about 15 minutes of two guys riding around on their Can-Am Rykers. Got my Ryker 600 and Kevin on his 900, both 2019s. Just goofing around. We know where we're going. We just don't know what's all in between, how good the ride's going to be. Some narrow roads with some good speeds and some good twisties. Also, Kevin almost fallen, and then ask me how I hurt my wrist and my ankle a few months back. Some cooler weather. I really dig the time of year that we did this. I want to say it was something like October. It was a lot of fun goofing around, really seeing what my 600 can do. ThrillMouseMoto. So with this video, I'm gonna catch everybody up, slow things down a bit, and I'm just pumping out video after video. And there's a lot of new subscribers, and there's a lot of new just viewers, period. So just to so you don't have to dig too far into each one of the videos. This Can-Am Ryker. We'll ride Can-Am Rykers in most of these videos, and mine is the 2019 Ryker 600. Kevin there in my side mirror to the left is on his 2019 Can-Am Ryker 900. We ride with rallies, we ride with other 600s, 900s. I mean, there's slingshot spiders, all kinds of stuff you're going to see on this channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. My goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers for the first year of ThrillMouseMoto, and that's coming on July the 6th. So I really appreciate everybody helping me get there.
Did you already eat breakfast? You ever had the breakfast pizza from QT? Yeah. You haven't? Oh, you don't like it?
I have, and I don't like it.
You don't like it, or your stomach doesn't like it? You don't like it, or your stomach doesn't agree with it? Not to QT. Oh, to gas. Oh, you can make it. That means you have 10 miles. See, I want a new one of these and have it say like Thrill Mouse on it or something. Get like a fabric one.
Wow, it's not till I go back to these old videos that I notice how super loud that RLS Predator exhaust is. Cool exhaust, but super loud compared to my last two. This I wanted to leave here because I had like a whole conversation with Kevin. He thinks that you're not supposed to pull over that way when you have emergency response vehicles, like in any direction you're coming from. He was saying that it's on the other way of traffic, and I'm like, nah. He's like, you just have to slow down. It's like, no, dude, you don't know what they're doing. The best thing to do is just gonna pull completely over. Maybe that's just a Texas thing and he's not used to it, or what. But shout out in the comments what your side on of that is, because mine is definitely just you don't know what they're gonna do, you don't know where they're trying to go. I just pull over, and most people do. I think Kevin coming from up north, coming from New York, maybe things are different. I don't know. Let me know how it is in your area. I know everybody has different policies and little, things they put in place for themselves to follow. But QT, man, I had to get a shot of the Rykers. I know a lot of people, the moto vlogs are cool and everything, but it's cool to add more context to what's happening and what you're riding on. Like I said, trying to start fresh with a lot of viewers and subscribers and not leave them behind, just assuming they know what we're doing and what's going on. But this is one of the cool stops that we take, because like I said, we don't know what's in between where we're going. We've taken different routes. We're going to Marble Falls before, and there's like 3 different legs of county roads you can take. This was, I think, the second one that we've had. I have more footage of some different county roads we've taken, but I gotta start with this one first. But it was cool to be able to hang out and take a break from riding and just soak in the sights.
Yeah, you're gonna fall. You went the best way.
No, I came up this way and then went left.
Once you get right here, you're good, see?
Oh, this is all loose stuff.
Dude, you were doing the right... Yeah. You were going the right way. Dude, put your phone in your pocket.
What's falling out of my pocket?
I was telling you to put your phone in your pocket so you don't drop it.
Let's do a portrait.
So how do we get the Rykers up here?
Right here. Yeah.
Can you get the Rykers in it?
Let's do one up here, yeah. No, one more.
There we go. Oh, am I stepping in a deer turd?
Probably.
Ah.
Let's do a regular camera here.
Ow! I don't know what's worse, my ankle or my hand.
Here. That's you falling.
That's pretty good. That's a good one too. It's good to have pictures to remember me before my wrist was broke. Okay, then I won't go any further. The camera's on, so you can go now.
You can use these as steps.
I'll wait till you get down safe before I take your advice, Kevin.
5-hour energy.
You don't stand too long in those ants right there.
Oh, okay, it's a lot of stuff.
They don't even put its name on it. So is this actually the way, or
Yeah.
we? Okay.
I didn't even know about this, so
Looks cool.
that was just kind of a bonus.
See, lots of perfect opportunities to bring stuff up to new subscribers and new watchers, and that is, don't do anything we do in these videos. Whether it's just these videos where we're riding around and we're goofing around on the side of the road, how we're riding our Rykers, how we're not riding our Rykers, what we're wearing, even the videos that people confuse with instructional. Don't do any of these things. They're all bad, and we're not smart, and we're not professionals, and we are not affiliated with BRP, Can-Am whatsoever. Zero. A lot of viewers they kind of get that confused, but it's all good. I'm going to start over with reminding everyone, and definitely a disclaimer in each one of my videos. We're just goofing around. We're just regular people. This is the internet and all that. So another cool spot. We get to stop and mess around.
Nice. That was fun.
That was a fun road.
It was real fun. I was kind of like, man, if it's gonna be like how it was, what was like those houses and stuff, but it was like. You think I can hang from that?
You can try. Yeah, that'll hold you.
No, it won't. People are gonna be pissed when you break that.
Yeah, that'll hold you.
That would not. Not possible. Okay, maybe. But my arm's too busted.
You gotta remember the power of trees.
I like how Kevin turns into Captain Planet there for a second with the power of trees. Or what is he even talking about? Trees they can be strong, they can be not strong. I could just get hurt. So, and then as I'm going back over this footage, I'm just thinking, Kevin is the one making me do all this stuff that either getting hurt or almost getting hurt. And you can even see it when you see that bird. I thought that was tight. I barely got that shot. Like, this clip started, like I just turned my camera on and then looked up. There was another time like that where one was just straight up following me and it was a great shot. I think like my camera was dead or something like that. But I'm getting better. Not in this video, because there was way more than this, and I didn't capture it. So that's why it's only 15 minutes long, because we rode like all day on this. But I am glad I got this part, because it was my first time in like loose gravel, and then I really see how much fun that is. Usually, this is the mild version here, and I was like, whoa, you could really whip this thing sideways. And I kind of got in Kevin's view there, and I was just waiting for him, because we weren't communicating on intercom in this video. And then he notices it, and then he puts that 900 out on it too. Super cool, a lot of fun. Now since this video, and any opportunity I can get in some loose gravel and mess around, I definitely do that. But on a few of those, I really got this thing to the side. Blast. Lots of little fun things on this trip. On top of this, cool twists and turns. I mean, we've done Twisted Sisters, we've done stuff like that before, and actual motorcycle routes. But this part in Texas, you can just go on some roads. The view, not as crazy, but the drive. I mean, we're not like hanging off of cool cliffs and stuff like some of you guys have in your area. This is another one I wanted to add in here, because it's cool having Kevin in front of you, because he'll definitely let you know where the potholes are, whether it's him running over them himself and then knowing not to do that, or him going around them and then you figuring it out too. We also have some wildlife or some livestock out here, and just some cool little creeks and stuff. So fun ride. Like I said, we just knew where we wanted to go, and then just different things in between that, and that's one of the things we like about having the Rykers.
Look at these guys. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, like I said, nothing informative at all. Nothing to learn here. Just messing around. One of the channel's biggest thing for the new subscribers and new viewers, watchers, is that I'm just sharing our rides, sharing our experiences, whether it's doing installs or whatever. I'm really just sharing what I did to do it, not really so much making people do things the way I do it, whether that's ride or the way I install things, or I should say the way Kevin does, because he's mostly doing all the work. But different stuff like that, I'm just sharing. Maybe it is helpful sometimes to see the steps that someone took to do these things. I'm gonna do them anyways. I'm gonna install stuff either way on my Ryker, because I'm just a Ryker owner. I'm going to ride it different ways with other people, by myself, and I'm just filming it, and then I'm editing it to a video that I think that you guys might want to see. So if you like to see more of them, just keep following close and seeing how things go. Things do get better. We get better. And I think we end up having more fun as it goes. Because like I said, even this is some older footage. And I have a lot of footage in between this and now. We also have the oil change video coming out. We still haven't showed the video of Ryan and his putting on the stealth on his, and I think I have another Carbon Series exhaust video still in there. We have a new grill guard video coming out, more new Ryker riders meeting up, just different cool stuff like that. I appreciate you watching and following. ThrillMouseMoto.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.